My name's Terri Herbert, and I enrolled in the motorcycle technician class at Tulsa Technology Broken Arrow campus. I'm retired. I have a lot of time on my hands, and I like motorcycles. I'm an avid rider, and I wanted to do an adventure ride. That means I'm going to be riding by myself, and I may need to have to work on my bike. That was really my biggest reason, and then I also own several, so I wanted to be able to work on those if I have to. It's nice that Tulsa Tech owns motorcycles. It's there for the students to work on, take apart, put back together, It's a good experience. I had a motorcycle that had been sitting in my garage for about 7 years that was not running. I was able to go through that thing completely and get it all fixed up. It gives you a confidence about doing work on something. You actually work on a motorcycle and you actually do the work. And it's important to get it right. The experience is huge. I'm grateful. I'm really grateful.